lessons, we are going to see some analytics features that we have in this Qiscus Multichannel. To go to the analytics from the inbox page, you just need to click the analytics tab here, and then you will find all the analytics parameters that you might need it. We have these 5 types here. The first one is the general, the agent performance, the chats, the WhatsApps, and the others. We also have this drop-down button which shows the overall agent analytics on each agent, and custom analytics. So in the general tabs, we have all the information about the Qiscus Multichannel's usage. For example, we have this total conversation, total unserved conversation, total of served conversation, and total of resolved conversation. We also have this list of agents that shows all the agents that in our Qiscus Multichannel, their status, when the last time they logged in the platform, and how much the ongoing conversation they have. We also have this information about the agent first response time, which is shows the average agent's response time to a newly assigned conversation in the past 30 days. Having said that, we have this time zone from UTC. So if you are in the UTC plus 7, it's automatically populated in this time zone. We also have this all-time history MAU. MAU stands for the monthly active users. And we also have this, the second tab is the agent performance. The agent performance tab will show all the conversation per agent, something like this, and also the daily conversation per agent, agent division summary, and also miscellaneous. In the conversation per agent, we have this new conversation per agent, and we can actually filter this content based on time range that you want to have. So for example, this filter to show only 10 days, previous 10 days, including today, or something like that. And also we have this resolve conversation here. We have daily conversation per agent. We have daily resolve conversation per agent. We have agent division summary, as we explained in the management of agents. We have division, and all this division information will show up here. And we have also a new conversation per divisions. We can see how the percentage of each division when handling the conversation. We also have this resolve conversation per division, which division has more resolve conversation than other divisions. We also have this expired conversation per divisions. It's actually specific to the WhatsApp, and we have also a WhatsApp tab that show us all the information regarding the WhatsApps. But before that, we are going to see the chats tabs. Here we can have a daily conversation. We also have the hourly conversation. In addition, we also have this conversation per channel and miscellaneous. In this miscellaneous, we have this. In the daily conversation, we have this total conversation to the times, and also we have this daily resolve conversation. This one is the new one. This one is for the resolve one. We have also this newly hourly new conversation and hourly resolve conversation. We also have this conversation per channel. So the distribution of the conversation per channel, we can have the information here. So for example, this one is for the new conversation. This one is for the ongoing conversation. So the donut pie chart, the donut chart looks like this. And we also have this resolve conversation per channel. This in the miscellaneous tab, in the miscellaneous panel, we have this average conversation duration. So it's about 1 hour and 16 minutes. We also have this tag conversation. Here, whenever you tag a chat room with something, those tags will be counted here, and you will have an insight which conversation that have unique information about the conversation. The fourth type is the WhatsApp. So since we are using the WhatsApp channel, we will have an information, we'll have an insight about the WhatsApp itself regarding the summary of how many outbound message we have left, or the quota, and we have this total broadcast message. In WhatsApp channel, we are able to do the broadcast message, and that information is shown here. We also have the total 24 hours message templates. We can also see that we have this broadcast rate, broadcast reply rate. So whenever we send the outbound message through the WhatsApp channel, and we want to know whether our outbound message has been read or not, is from here, and also the broadcast reply rate. So this is the history of the broadcast message. So 10 delivered, failed 12. Based on this information, we also have the detailed information about which one is delivered and which one is failed, and its reasons about the the status, for example, like this. And by the way, all of this information can be downloaded as a CSV, XLS, and also JSONs. We can also filter in this WhatsApp tab based on the template name. For example, I don't know, do we have this update something? No, we don't have. Right. Let's go to the others tab. In these other tabs, we actually show all of the row tab that we have. So for example, this logs data about the agent's availability logs and the outgoing logs, the filed message logs, the raw data itself. So we can populate, or we can download. We are able to download all this full result of the agent informations. We also have the agent assignment information. We also have the conversation. So actually we are able to grab all the data, the conversation data from this Qiscus Multichannel. We also have this customer information and the message, the chat templates. So we also have this notes of conversation. So if we insert some notes in the conversation, we will see here. We also have this text of conversation, details, and also customer additional information. So it's if you have the business intelligence software, something like Tableau or something like that, you can grab all this data, and if you need the custom insight, for example, you can just show it, and you can play around in that softwares by downloading the data. So this is the overall agent analytics, but we also have the analytics on each agent. Yeah, something like this. So in each agent we are able to see the performance, like the conversations, how many ongoings and how many resolve. Each agent first response time, each agent resolve time, so and also the response time in the last 7 days. So yeah, we can just filter the date. We can also have the chat information about the agents, and it's regarding the new conversation, the channel, the tags that agents handle. We also have this others tab, which show us about the customer information, the agent activity log, the notes of conversation, the tags on conversation, etc. So it's really useful when you want to see each agent's performance. Besides this overall and also analytics on each agent, we also have this custom analytics. This custom analytics is actually really customizable, and it can be used for any usage. For example, this one we have the sales order report, which has been gathered from the additional information, something like that, and we can populate that information here.